Is this what the guy following Bear Grylls is like?
Ciao bella. Hello.
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 She's yeah. Not warm, is it? Beer is life. Ciao bella. Oh, okay. Survived it. So far. There's just three standing in his way. Yeah man, you okay? It's okay. Says yeah. That's enough then. Well, survived that one. So this is day 6. The start of. We took a free shuttle bus from a campsite, which was rammed. I'll stick a picture up. Free shuttle bus from campsite to start today's route. It's 10 miles. We had to do some climbing, and then it's a long descent into campsite again. It's a nice and easy piece of lemon squeezy. So I had a little highlight there with some cows. That was dead nice. But so far, all day it's been bloody freezing. Anyways, catch you in a bit.
Alright.
Alright, how'd you feel?
Ah, not bad.
Yeah?
Just at the top. Pretty much.
Almost, eh?
You're absolutely flying up.
I think we're doing alright. I think only because today is what, one big hill and that's it. It's a big hill.
Long descent to a pint now.
Long descent, what?
Long descent to a pint.
Alright. I said to Mac earlier. And Pierre, I met a guy called Pierre the other day, a French dude. Says, very French. Didn't know much English. Says, Pierre, après ça, ce soir, like tonight, un bière? Says, oui, beer is life.
That's key phrases you need.
Beer is life, yeah. You can connect with any English person with that. How'd you feel? Oh, little can. How'd you feel after yesterday's effort?
I'll grand. Like, it was a good rest this morning, and then the bit of the fuck up with the bus today. So
What, we're an hour wait, sat shivering.
Plenty of time to recover. It's just like a couple more hours today.
Yeah.
All good, we go on.
We go on. Show must continue. And as I said, a beer later. Probably some cheese because...
I'm visiting a sports shop.
Oh yeah?
I'm replacing my t-shirt.
Oh god, yeah. Oh god. But it's Switzerland, eh?
Need to find the Primark of Lafuli.
It's still going to be upsetting though. It's going to be what, 25 quid instead of 50? Yeah. It'll shrink after one wash.
Yeah.
Can't wait. So tune in for more. If we find a Primark in Switzerland, we'll update you.
New t-shirt tomorrow.
What happened to your other one?
Fell out my bag.
Good.
Zero idea where. And it's like it's a race t-shirt as well, so like someone's going to be going about with it.
Good. False advertising.
Yeah.
Or either that or there's some very confused cow
I know.
grinding away at it. Right, catch you in a bit. Welcome, welcome. Top of Grand Col Ferret, day 6. Look at that. It's alright, innit? What do you reckon? It's beautiful, huh? It's a long way up, but it's a nice company. It's been pretty chill. It's been a nice chat. So we're just passed into Switzerland from Italy. I think then 2 days in Switzerland. So yeah, on his way. Day 6, halfway through, hardest bit done. It's all downhill from here, literally. So we're in fact going somewhere down here. Somewhere right down there. Down valley a little bit. Cool. See you in a bit. So these smart cookers brought sun cream.
Drinks catering for the set.
Yeah. Fancy that?
They've like provided drinks for the actors and stuff.
Welcome to Switzerland! Matt, how's it feel?
It's good to be here. Very pleased. Very hot. Very nice.
Very good, very nice, very hot, very nice. Look at that bad boy, have a gander. Isn't it lovely? That, you don't get at home. Just you remember, lean forward, don't look back, keep breathing, it'll all be okay. Right, let's cross this bridge. Campsite again, it's a house. It's been a lovely day, been proper nice. We've got that in background. Surrounded by mountains, see the big ditch. Tomorrow is the easiest day. It's what, 10 miles and not climbing much at all. Climbing like 1,500 feet, about 500 meters. Which compared to what we've been doing is absolutely nothing. So I'm happy with that. So are a few others. I think the plan is I'll put that in background, look. To nip into town, which is just there, that's all commotion is. I'm gonna, have a little wander around, maybe get a beer. Beer is life. I need to get some more snacks for trail because I'm officially out of food. Another block of cheese. We're really not struggling for food and water and whatnot on this trail. It's very well fueled, very well kind of commercialised. So yeah, cool. Checking in a bit. We're on his way then. This is day 7 from La Folie in Switzerland to Champellac, I think also Switzerland. 2 croissants for breakfast and a sip of stale water. Welcome to the trail. Met a lovely group of others that we're hiking with today, same as yesterday. It's just 2 really easy days. Today it's really easy, so that's dead nice. Really quite enjoying it, especially now it's kind of, like I said before, there's more confidence in trail and being able to get all the water and food, and campsites are all pretty standardised and comprehensive. It's good. It's always good to know. Sleeping well, eating well. We found a shop this morning to get some more snacks and whatnot. Got some cheese, so it's good. Ended up having another block of cheese. Sunburn is under control, which is not a bad thing. I'm going to try and spice up video a little bit, get some different perspectives. Hopefully when you see this, it makes sense and there's less faffing.
Enjoying it, it's 3 bits. Yeah, yes. Kind of the second one. Yeah.
Nice. Can you put this somewhere?
Hello everyone.
Hello! Phil, Matt, how's the trail?
Yeah, trail's good, it's a bit downhill.
Bit rooty.
Bit what? A bit rooty, yeah. Hello.
Hello!
Is this what the guy following Bear Grylls is like?
It's what?
The guy following Bear Grylls is just like walking behind the camera.
Welcome back, man. How was your trip? Did you meet the guys? Did you say hi? I hope so. We're friendly anyway, I promise.
Yeah, we should be on the same route.
Yeah. Hello. Wow. Wow. I've got a note to give. You know your hand wet now. Come on. No. You know Arnie? Me neither. So Sandy, how do you fancy moving to one of these little villages?
Sell me the house straight away.
What if it costs 2 million?
Could pitch my tent on the outskirts.
Could buy a garden.
Can't quite afford that mortgage yet.
Saving Chamonix, isn't it? If I die with a few million in bank,
Yeah,
and stay there.
it is insanely expensive, but they are very, very nice.
Very good, very nice. Not like that in Yorkshire.
Just wait till you get to Aviemore. It's like same scene.
Same thing. What to here?
You got some nice chalets in Aviemore. They're wood built, but again, they're just insanely expensive.
Always. Seems to be a theme, that, doesn't it?
Need to get a shop to get some sun cream.
So these smart cookies brought sun cream. That brought it. Get the edgy shots for the channel. Oh, I'm hungry. Another block of cheese.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Some nuts and a few figs for lunch. I think that might be why.
Not
Getting in champagne back. You ready? Not looking forward to this. Not warm, is it?
2 minutes should be right, honestly. It's fine, it's lovely. Nice, isn't it? No. Honestly, it's fine. Where are you from?
Yorkshire, Rotherham.
Come on, I'm a Lancashire lad, you're a Yorkshire lad.
Like, hey! Go on then.
Don't let the Brits down. Don't let Yorkshire down. I just jumped in. Just go for it, man.
I didn't want kids anyway. It's fine.
It's in for leaving,
You
right?
got me, friend.
Don't think about it. Much harder like that, man.
Yeah, just jump in. Go for it. Hey!
This is not warm. God almighty.